Hey guys! Welcome to Mani Monday on a Tuesday. I jumped the gun and I pre-filmed my last advent calendar video and then literally the next day I posted a poll on Twitter and Instagram asking if you guys wanted to see Valentine's Day nail art starting this week or just do a bit of a bombardment the week of. I couldn't believe it. Out of everybody who voted, 100% of you, 100% of you that voted said yes, start this week. So here I am on a Tuesday. This is gonna be kind of the same setup for the next couple videos because I'm pre-filming the advent calendar unboxing portion all at one time, and then I'm gonna get the nail art done here and there throughout the week. Let's get into this. So today we are opening day 6 and we are gonna do some Valentine's Day nail art with day 6, which should be interesting because it looks as though day 6 is a clear nail polish. This is called Treatment and Shine all-in-one base coat color top coat, so this is just a clear polish. See, totally clear. So I think this is grounds for a negative space piece. Well, I think that's what we're gonna do. Let's get some negative space Valentine's Day art on here.